Yeah, hi. In this video, I will discuss the test for variance homogeneity of correlated variables. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how to test whether two variances or three or more variances are equal using our functions. But that's for independent data. For correlated data, or correlated variables, this is more complicated. So I found this Harris test. And you can see here, it's in the package of fastmatrix. Um, so it has four options for the test, which are world, log, robust, and log robust. Okay, and to use these functions is quite simple. You can see here's the syntax, right? You can specify which test you want. Okay, but what exactly what these four tests are? So I actually went back to find the Harris paper, which I'll show you later. Okay, now this is the paper Harris published back in 1985 on Biometrica, testing for variance homogeneity of correlated variables. You can see it's a mathematical. So I just want to show you the formula for this is the world test, and this is the log test. And I think this is the robust test. Oh no, wait a minute. Yeah, this is the robust test, and then you have a log robust test. So I think all these different tests have something to do, kind of generalize the world test based on some manipulation about the standard deviation or the denominator. So this is the arrangement of paper. I just want to show you the formulas for the four type of methods, the test statistics for each method. Okay, here let's get into RStudio. In order to use the harris.test function, you have to install the fastmatrix package. When I try to install this package, it asks me for the R2's 44 to be installed first. So that is available directly at this website. Let me show you. Yeah, this is the website, and you can see you can download this R244 installer and just run it. It will install R244 on your computer, and then you can install the fastmatrix package in RStudio. Once you have installed fastmatrix package, you can just load it. And let's use the RS dataset, which we know the four variables are correlated. And then we can just run the Harris test using each of the four methods. So world, log, robust, and log robust. Okay. As you can see, for this case, the p-value for every method is almost zero. So definitely the variance is not equal for the four variables. Okay. Yeah, so this is a demonstration. How do you install and how do you use harris.test in R? One comment is just remember these tests are based on large sample. Okay, so they are asymptotic. They're based on large sample. In that paper, Harris stated that he did not investigate the small sample size performance of this test in that paper. And I'm not sure whether he did it in subsequent papers. We need to find out later. So this test is really works for large sample size. All right. Hopefully this is useful to you. for testing variances using correlated data.